Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Hardly few days are left for CA Inter and CA Final May 2025 exams. And you know what is the biggest fear of students right now? It is the fear of failure, boss. What if I fail in this examination? I'm putting 100% of my energy, my 100% of time, everything I'm putting into this exam preparation. And still, what if I fail? This question mark always will be there in the student's mind before the examination. Let's say, for example, 100 students prepare for this exam. Out of that, only 50 students are genuinely preparing for this. The rest 50 generally goes with a casual approach. They're not so serious about the examination. But I can certainly say at least 50% of the students genuinely put their full time and effort and energy, everything into the preparation. But still, hardly 15, 10, 15, or 20 students only clear. Then why the rest 30 students are not clearing in spite of putting so much of hard work? The reason is what you know. The hard work is not kept in a right direction, boss. The right direction and right approach is missing. Hard work is there, but not in the right direction. Yes, believe me this. They may be using the best coaching, the best book available in the market for preparing. But that does not guarantee success, boss. If best coaching really provides success, then whatever best coaching, so and so called best coaching is there. No, in that coaching institute, all the hundreds should pass. But that is not the case anywhere in the world. Yes or no? So best coaching or a best book does not guarantee success. But if you put the hard work in the right direction and with the right approach, that will definitely guarantee success, boss. Now, what is the right direction, right approach you would ask? Was any examination you prepare, not necessarily CA exam. It could be UPSC exam or any kind of a competitive exam for that matter. It has a strategy to crack the exam course. 3 R's you need to keep in mind. 3 R, triple R you can say. Read, revise, and recall. Reading means you have to understand the concept. Revising means whatever you have read already, you have to revisit the same concept again and again. And recalling means without looking at the book, you should be able to recall the concept so that you can write the same in the exam paper. These 3 R's, if you implement, boss, no one can stop you from clearing the examination. That is where the students are lacking. See, reading everyone does. Out of the 100, I told you 50 genuinely prepares. All the 50 are reading, no doubt. But what the other 30 who are not able to clear, what is the mistake they are committing? You know, they are not revising, boss. They are not revising the stuff. Just reading, or even if they are revising, randomly they are revising. There is no proper strategy. They will revise today one topic. They will revise. Maybe after 2 3 days they will take randomly some other topic. So there is no proper approach. There is no step by step procedure. Randomly they'll pick some topic and revise. Whereas those students who clear now 15 20%, they will follow a proper strategy. Everything, see, any work you do in this world, boss, there is a process for it. There are some steps to be followed, then only you arrive at the last final goal or the final step. Randomly if you go, you will end up nowhere. So reading is fair enough. Revising, this is the biggest thing, boss. Revising. If you don't revise, how would you able to recall in the examination? And unless you recall, how would you write it on the paper, boss? Not possible, no. So the biggest thing to crack the exam is not reading, it is revising, revision. And what is revision in simple terms if I have to put, boss? Let's say, for example, one song is released, very latest, brand new song is released in the market. First time when you will listen, let's say, for example, there are 10 lines in the song, 10 lyrics, 10 line of lyrics. Hardly you would be able to recall one or two only, no? Yes or no? Now, next time when you will again listen to the same song, you would be able to recall four lines of the same song. So, if you keep on revisiting the same song again and again, maybe after 3 times you would be able to recall all the 100% lyrics of the song. Very first time, are you able to recall all the lyrics? Not possible. So exactly the same way in the examination also, you should have to Apply the strategy, boss. First time when you will read, you think that yes, I've read this, this is done. No, it is not like that, boss. You have to revisit the topic again and again. At least three times, if you revisit, you will be able to recall 70 to 80% of the stuff. And that much is required for you to clear the examination. Nothing more is required. So three times how to revise. Sir. There is a strategy, boss. To revise the topics, there is a strategy. And the strategy, the one of the best strategies I would recommend is the cumulative revision strategy. See, there may be different ways to revise a topic, but the best one, which is scientifically proven, leave about scientifically proven, boss. I myself have implemented in my CA final examination the same strategy, which is cumulative revision strategy. In my direct tax paper, I secured 78 marks in my CA final with implementation of this cumulative revision strategy only. Now, what is this cumulative revision strategy? Very simple it is. Let's say, for example, on day one, you read one topic. On day one, you read one topic. On the next day, no. The second day, when you will start with, first you will revise the topic which you read in this day one. So you will revise. You will allocate some time to revise the first day's topic. Then, in addition to that, you will read the second topic. So one old topic is going on and the new topic, old topic you're revising. You may be thinking again, I have to put additional effort. No, boss. See, first day, if you have put, let's say, for example, 4 hours for the topic, the next day, when you will revise, no, hardly it will take half an hour to 1 hour, 1 hour only to revise. It will not take much time. Trust me on this. So first you will revise the topic which you have read in the previous day. Then you will add to that the new topic which you want to read. The same strategy you will apply on the third day. What you will do? First topic plus the second topic you will revise, and with that you will read the third topic. Are you getting this? So this is how you cumulatively revise. This you will do until this thing three times are done for the first topic. Now on the fourth day you will not touch again first topic. No need, because three times if you already read the first topic, it will be by default in your subconscious mind. It would already feeding is done. Now you don't need to put a lot of effort to recall the topic. Automatically, one day before your examination, if you able to revise it in the examination hall, automatically you will be able to recall that topic. No need to break your head at all. So likewise, the next day 2 plus 3 plus the fourth topic you will revise. Then you will stop the second topic also, because three times you have already retouched or revisited the topic. This is called as cumulative strategy, where simultaneously one old topic you are revising and a new topic you are reading. See, generally, let's say for example, at this moment, just a few days before examination, let's say for example, in a best case scenario, you are allocating 12 hours for the, in a whole day, 12 hours you are allocating for your exam preparation for exam. In that case, what you can do is 4 hours you can allocate for revision, and 8 hours you can allocate for new topics. Are you getting this? So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 4 hours, whenever you see, generally when you freshly start a day, start with revision, boss. Immediately, quickly, whatever you read the last day, quickly revise it. Hardly it will take some time. Maybe you see 8 hours you are taking, no, for the new topic today. Tomorrow when you will revise, hardly it will take 2 hours only, boss. Trust me on this. You apply the strategy, you will only realize. So 4 hours you apply for revision, and rest 8 hours you can get for the new topics. In new topics also, one of the best strategy, you know what it is, to read a new topic. Whenever you read a new topic, out of the total 8 hours, what you can do is half you break into two categories. First half you keep it for your practical papers, second half for theory papers. See, theory papers generally you try to read it when you are in a fresh mood. And see, generally, whenever during a day, you may be having a specific time when you are more productive, and there are few hours or a certain time during the day when you are not so productive. So, not so productive time you will utilize for doing the practical papers, like maybe your accountancy or FM or costing, because you need not break your head much there. Just recall the concept or apply the concept on the question, and you will get the answer. Aram say in a chill mode, when you are not so productive, you can just practice your questions. But when you are a very, very productive time, when you are in your productive time, you should utilize that in papers or reading complex concepts, because that requires a lot of attention. So when you are productive during the day, you can apply that time for reading those concepts which are more complex, or theory which you are not able to recall. Those kind of concepts you can use the time of a productive time, you can use for those kind of concepts. Are you getting this? So this is how you apply the cumulative strategy, boss. Apply this strategy and see 100% you will be able to recall the concepts and the formulas whatever you read. Next, if you revise this way, if you implement this cumulative revision strategy, boss, your confidence level is going to be like anything. You will be waiting for the examination. Now, then you will not have the fear of examination. You will be rather waiting for the examination to come and quickly finish it off. Let me go to articleship. That level of confidence you will feel, boss. 100%. Take my words. Trust me on this. So, three times if you are revising the topic, the confidence level will be not 100%. It will be 200%. And if you are so confident and go to the examination hall, you will tear the paper. 100% you will be able to perform excellent, boss. But on the other side, if you do not apply this kind of a strategy, or if you lack in revision, just reading the topic without going without revising, going to the examination hall, you will not be able to recall the stuff in the examination hall, boss. Trust me, you will not be able to recall, and you will be a big failure. 100% it will land you in failure, boss. I hope this message is very, very clear. Without revision, it is not possible, boss, to recall. See, recalling is a byproduct of revision. Only when you will revise, you will be able to recall, not without revision, how will you be able to recall? So just reading will not help. Apart from reading, you have to do something called as a revision. Automatically, when you will revise, a byproduct will come which is called as a recalling. That recalling will help you in examination hall to write the answers. So just reading is not going to help you. Trust me. Okay, now please subscribe to this channel, boss, because lot of content on taxation. And even when you will clear this examination, I'm sure you will clear. You apply just this strategy, boss, cumulative revision strategy, you will 100% clear this examination. Once you clear this examination, you would require a lot of guidance on articleship. Or if you are a CA final candidate, after clearing your examination post qualification, you would be applying for a lot of job interviews. For that, you would require a lot of guidance on how to crack interviews. Boss, I have cracked the KPMG, Deloitte, Grant Thornton, EY. I worked with the Big Four post my CA qualification for almost 4 to 5 years. So I will help you out with your preparation for interview strategy, boss. How to prepare for interview, what kind of questions you can expect, how to answer, how to present yourself in the interview. Everything I will help you out with. Subscribe to this channel. Even if you are struggling with income tax paper, I have uploaded one of a beautiful income tax marathon for CA Inter, guys. So very soon for CA final also, lot of stuff we are planning. So we will come up with CA final stuff also relating to income tax on this channel only. But for CA Inter, already a direct tax marathon has already been uploaded in this channel. If you want, I will leave the description of that income tax marathon in this video itself. Just 12 hours, boss. Within one day, trust me, within one day you can revise whole income tax paper for CA Inter. And the relevant book which I have used in the video, that also I have uploaded on the channel. So I will leave the description of the book and the video in this video's description. So please do like this video if you genuinely liked my content. And boss, please follow this cumulative preparation strategy. You implement it just for 2 chapters and then check the results. You will be able to recall like anything, boss. All the very best for your examination. Tata, bye bye.